guys, so pretty much we're gonna do a holiday themed capsule wardrobe that is mostly red. A red Christmas capsule wardrobe. So as you know, I'm on this sustainable ethical fashion journey, and yeah, it's been interesting. But these are all pieces I have in my closet. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I know the holiday season is upon us. So first things first, let's get to the pieces. So let us begin. I have had this top probably since, I definitely have it since high school, like deep into high school. And I graduated college like a year ago. That's how you know how long I've had this top for. Still looks good though, it's beautiful. It is sheer. I love this top, it's one of my favorites. Oh yeah, by the way, I live in Florida, so we don't really have a winter. Only like 2 weeks of cold. So not a real, I don't know, winter. And then we have one of my only sweaters I own because I live in Florida. It's a red striped sweater. I also had this since high school. But I actually really like this sweater. I don't have many red items either because I don't care for red like that, even though everyone's like, Monique, you look so pretty in red. But I love this red sweater. It has like this cowl neckline and it is fitted and it has red and black stripes and I just thoroughly enjoy it. And then one of the newest pieces to my collection is this Reformation dress. It is a short dress, kind of like not a mini but not a midi either. I guess it's like halfway for me. It might be a mini actually. We'll see when I put it on. But I really like this dress. It's so cute. I adore it. This is the only item that is not red, but it is actually a trench dress. I decided to have it in my wardrobe because when it does get cold, I need something that's gonna keep me warm. And I figured I can style it up and down, wear it alone, or put it over my other pieces, which probably will end up happening because it is gonna eventually get cold here. But for those who follow me on Instagram, you probably recognize this. This is a La Vanidosa trench dress. If you haven't seen my Instagram, you probably should. But this is one of the dresses I got from them and I really love it. And it's, I don't even like print or like leopard like this, but when I put it on, I knew it was meant for me, you know? When you ever just do something like that and you're like, this is gonna be mine. That's how I felt. And last but not least, this jumpsuit that I'm already actually wearing. But this jumpsuit is so cute. It has this beautiful neckline and it has a low back, which I think is just adorable. Oh my goodness, I love this one. I got this one from TopShop when I did the personal styling experience. One of the best experiences I've had in fashion, that's for sure. If you guys are interested, you can read that in my blog post down below. But it is a red. When I say red, like canary red, bright jumpsuit. So pretty. So pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. If you want to see another capsule wardrobe or a holiday lookbook perhaps, hit that thumbs up button. Bye!